put that over there. Can I do the chocolate drizzle?
I don't know where. I think she went to the restroom. Yeah.
And then the strawberries and Oreos. Enjoy. Thank you.
Strawberries, please. Leo, come here. Do you want syrup? Do you want syrup? Just strawberries?
I don't want everything. No, thank you.
Alright, I'll get it then. And syrup, please.
Maple syrup?
Maple syrup.
Hi! This is so cute. Look at this.
Yes. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Jackson,
look, we got pancake.
Vegetables, but.
Leo.
What do you want?
Jackson, look at the pancakes. You want to get
What kind of
some?
sauce and then what kind of
You can
toppings?
put chocolate.
You want chocolate?
How about you get some
It's still
cream?
worse.
And then what
Look
else?
at that.
What do you want on top of that?
You have to tell them what kind you want.
I want bananas.
Huh?
To eat all of
Can you do a powdered sugar with whipped cream? For
It's over there, but my friend is telling me.
Hi, baby. Don't touch anything. No, your hands.
Yeah, I have.
Is that all? Enjoy. Thank you.
Oh, we have flour and coffee.
I know, I saw that.
Yeah, help
I
yourself.
gotta try that.
Oh, they make coffee. I forgot. I'm gonna get a plate of food. Did you make the pho too? And tonight? Oh my goodness, eat all this food. Thank you.
Pay as you order?
It's free.
Hello, then. Pay with ice cream pot.
With ice cream pop?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Can I get chocolate, please? And then strawberries. And that's it. Thank you.
Wait, I see this. Hi, would you like some? Yes, please. Wait, I'm looking if I want. I'll get pancakes later. So, what would you like? Can I do syrup, please? And then bananas.
And then apple.
And some powdered sugar.
Stay here, bud. Stay here.
You said one red glass.
Is that all? Enjoy. Hi, would you like
Two?
some?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Ooh, can I get some strawberries? And then,
I think I know where they are. Hold on, sister.
is this Oreo? Maybe some of that. But I'll send you.
Okay, thank you.
But honestly, like, don't be surprised if it like.
Yeah, yeah, I knew you would say.
Yeah. And just some syrup. But it's dope. Are you
so simple.
Put more?
Eventually.
Yeah.
I wanted to taste it.
Yeah. Oh no, it's good. Yeah. Thank you.